Hi, hello to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter HCF and LCM. HCF stands for here, this is also called as GCD. Here, GCD means greatest common divisor. Here, HCF means highest common factor. And LCM stands for least common multiple. This chapter is very important for placements like as Wipro, TCS, IBM, Microsoft, etc. All this software placement. This chapter is very important. 1 to 2 questions come from this chapter. So I discuss all the questions with shortcuts. I won't use any formulas. Please watch my video up to the end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your DS and DS. Now here we see the first problem. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. So here greatest number is 13. 13, 13 3 the 39 carry 4. 13 7 the 91. So here both cases same remainder is not there. Let's to divide with 7. 7 9. 9 9 4 the 46 carry 7. 9 10 ja 91 90 carry 1 here 7 LC here 7 is the remainder here 1 so not say so next to go to next one 7 6 ja 42 carry 1 7 1 7 7 3 carry 0 here remainder is 0 next 4 4 10 ja 4 3 ja 4 remainder is here 3 here 4 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 88 4 22 ja 88 remainder is 3 4 4 ja 16 carry to 23, 4, 5, 20, remainder 3. In all these three cases, we get remainder 3. So option number A is the right answer. Next question. The HCF of two numbers is 23 and the other two factors of their LCM are 13 and 14. The largest of the two numbers is here 23 into 13. One pair, another pair is 23 into 14. 23 into 14 we get more value. So 43 is a 42. 22 is 28, 32, 322. 322 is the largest value. So that is the right answer. Next one. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? So first here in any problem, times or bells problem is given. We find LCM of that values. So now here in this LCM means LCM value is equal to highest value or more than the highest value. So highest value is 12. 12 is not divisible by all these numbers. 12 2 is 24. 24 is not divisible by all these numbers. 12 3 is 36. 36 not divisible by 10. 12 4 is 48. 48 is not divisible by 10. 12 5 is 60. 60 is not divisible by 8. 12 6 is 72. 72 is not divisible by 10. 12 7 is 84. 84 is not divisible by 10. 12 8 is 96. 96 is not divisible by 10. 12 9 is 108 is not divisible by 10. 12 10 is 120. 120 divisible by 8. 10 8, 6, 4 and 2. So 120 is the LCM. So 120 in each and every 120 seconds they meet, they toll together. So 120 seconds means 2 minutes. So here 30 by 2 plus 30 minutes also they meet. So 15 plus 1, that means 16 times they meet, they toll together. So option number D is the right answer. Next question. Let n be the greatest number that will divide 1305, 4665 and 6905, leaving the same remainder in each case. The sum of the digits in n is now 1305, 4665. Subtract this to 0, 6 minus 0, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 0. Let's subtract this to 5 minus 5, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 8, 8 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 2, 2, 1, 0. Next here, subtract this to 0, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Now here you see that all these values, they are divisible with value 1120, 1120 2 ja, 2240, 1120 3 ja, 3360, 1120 4 ja, 56 5 ja, 5600. So that means 1120 is the LCM of these values. Sum of digits in this value is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 equal to 4. So option number A is the right answer. Next. The greatest number of 4 digits which is divisible by 15, 25, 40 and 75 is. Our greatest number is 9800. 15 6 are 90, carry 8, 80, so 15 5 is 75, carry 5 50, 50 not divisible by, not divisible by 15. So this one is not correct answer. Next highest number. 15 6 are 90, 60 60, 15 4 is 60 0, so it is divisible by 15. So you already last two digits is 0 means it is divisible by 25. 40 is 0 0, 4 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 0. So it is divisible by 40. 75, 75 1 is 75, carry 21, 2 10, 75, 3 ja. So 73 ja, 2 10, 75 2 ja, 150, carry 60, 600, 75, 75 8 ja, 600. So it is divisible by 7, 75. It is divisible by 15, 25, 40 and 75. So this is the highest number which is divisible by all these values. So C, option number C is the right answer. Next. Next problem. The greatest number of, so this one completed. The product of two numbers is 4107. If the HCF of these numbers is 37, then the greatest number is. So divide this value with 37. So 37 1 ja, 37 carry 4, 40, 37 1 ja, carry 3, 37, 37 1 ja. So triple 1 is the answer. The greatest number. Then the greatest number is triple 1. Next. Three numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is. Here 3 means 3x, 4 means 4x, 5 means 5x. Totally 3 4 is 12, 12 5 is 60. Now 64 is 2400. 64 is 40. 64 is 0. 40. 40 is the right answer. The HCF is 40. Option number A is the right answer. The GCD of 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9 multiply with 100 or not 8, 36 or 90. GCD means that value is lesser than the least value, equal to least value or lesser than least value. 36 is not divides 90. So next least value is 18. 18 divides 18 6 108, 18 2 is 18 3 is 36, 18 5 is 90. So 0.18 is the right answer. The product of two numbers is 2028 and their HCF is 13. The number such pairs is 13 means 13 x into 13 y equal to 2028. 13 1 ja, 13 1 ja, carry 7 72, 13 5 ja 65, 7 8 78, 13 6 ja 78. 13 1 ja, 13 1 ja, 13 2 ja. So x into y equal to 12. Here 1 comma 12. These two are co-primes. Co-primes means their HCF is 1. Similarly, 4 3 4 3 4 also co-primes. So you get two cases. The two cases you get only co-prime value is 1. So option number B is the right answer. The least multiple of 7, which leaves a remainder of 4, when divided by 6, 9, 15 and 18 is. Now, the least multiple of 7. So here 74 is not a multiple of 7. 7 1 is 7. This is also not a multiple. See here 7 2 is 14. Carry 4, 44. This is also not a multiple of 7. So 7 5 is 35, carry 1, 14, 7. So this is multiple of 7. Only one is there. Even though multiply with 6, we get 4 is the remainder. Divide with 9, we get remainder is 4. Divide with 15, 15 to the 30, 15 4 is 60, remain 4. 18 to the 36, 0. So remainder is 4. In all these cases, we get remainder is 4, and it is also multiple of 7. Option number D is the right answer. Find the lowest common multiple of 24, 36, and 40. So find the lowest common multiple of 24, 36, and 40. Lowest means LCM. So LCM means here we see 24 divides 120, but it is not divided. 36 is not divides 120. 24 divides 240. 36 is not divides 240. 24 1 24. So 360 divided by 24. It is also divided by 36. It is also divided by 40. So option number C is the right answer. The least number which should be added to 2497 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3 is. Now suppose we add 3, we get 2500. 2500 is divisible by 5. It's not divisible by 6. Suppose we add 13. 13 we add 13 means 2510. So it is divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 6. 6 4 24. 11, 6 1 is 6, carry 5, 50, 50 is not divisible by 6. So add 23, 2520. 2520, it is divisible by 5. Last digit 0 means divisible by 6, 6 4 is 24, 6 2 is 12, 4 6 is 24, 4 3 is 12, 3 8 is 24, 3 4 is 12. So it is divisible by all these values. So whenever we add 23 to this number, then only that value is divisible by all these numbers. Next. Reduce the least number which one divided by 5, 6, 7 and 8 leaves a remainder 3, but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder is. So see, so which number is divisible by 9 first? 9 1 is 9, carry 7, 77, 9 8 is 72, carry 5, 57. So the 57 is not divisible by 9. 9 1 is 9, carry 7, 78, 9 8 is 72, carry 6, 63, 9, 7 is 63. It is divisible by 7. So divide with 5, we get remaining 3. 6, 6, 2 is 12. Carry 4, 48. 6, 8 is 48, remaining 3. 7, 7, 2 is 14. Carry 28. 7, 4 is 28, remaining get 3. So 8, 2 is 16, 8, 1 is 8. Carry remaining 3. So option number B is the right answer. A, B, and C start at the same time, at the same direction to run around a circular stadium. A completes round in 252 seconds, B in 308 seconds, and C in 108 seconds. All start at the same point. After what time they meet again at the starting point. So 252, 308, 198. 308 is not divisible by this one. 308 2 ja. 308 2 ja. 616. 616 is not divisible by 108. 198. 198 4 ja. 4 8 ja 32 get. So 308 3 ja. 308 3 ja not divisible by that one. 308 4 ja. 616 2 ja. That means 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. 2 6 ja 12. This is also not divisible by 198. So into 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 4 6 4. Is 2 4 6 4. It is divisible by 660. Otherwise, here once again you see 308 2 is 616. 616 2 is 132. Its value is Otherwise, here, the second see LCM of 308, 198, 252. Parallel direct method 308, 198, 252. So divide with 4, 4, 4, 4, 7, 28, 4, 7, 4, 4, 16, 16 carry 3, 38, it is not divisible by 4. 4, 6, 24, 4, 3, 12, 11, 11, 7, 11, 1, 11, 8, 63, 7, 7, 1, 18, 7, 9, 63, 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 2, 18, 18, 7, 126, 126 into 11, 11, 6, 66, 11, 2, 22, 28, 11, 1, 11, 2, 13, 1386 into 4, 4, 6, 24, 4, 8, 32, 34, 4, 3, 12, 3, 15, 4, 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Once again, listen. Here LCM of 198, 252, 308, 4, otherwise 2, 2 9 18, carry 2 9 18, 2 1 2 2 2 6 2 1 2 5 2 4 divide with 11, 11 9 126, 11 1 11 4 divide with 7, 9, 7 7 1 7, 7 8 7 2 9 1 9 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 9 2 18, 18 7 126, 126 into 11, 66, 11 2 22, 28, 11 1 11, 13, 13 8, 6 into 2, 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 17, 3 7, 1 2, 2 7, 72 seconds. That is the LCM of this one. Divide with 60. We get hours. 61 64 240. Carry 37, 372. 66 360. Remaining 12 seconds. 46 minutes, 12 seconds. Option number D is the right answer. The HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 7,700. If one of the numbers is 275, then the other is LCM into HCF equal to product of the numbers 275 into X. 11 1 11 2 22, 11 5 25 1 25 3 75, carry 2 20 0, 308, 20 8 200, 308. Option number C is the right answer. what will be the least number, which one when doubled will be the exactly divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 30. So here 12, 18, 31, 30, 30, 12, 18, 21, 30. Find the LCM. 3, 3, 4 ja, 3, 6 ja, 3, 7 ja, 3, 10 ja. 2, 2, 2 ja, 2, 3 ja, 7, 2, 5 ja. 7, 5 ja, 35. 35, 3 ja, 105. 105, 2 ja, 210. 210, 2 ja, 420. 420, 3 ja, 1260. Here exactly divisible when double will be the exactly divisible by this number. So this is double. Double means half of this one is 630. So option number B is the right answer. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4. Their LCM is 3 into 4, 12, 3, 4, 16. So LCM 12, 12 and 16 LCM. LCM is either it is equal to more highest value or more than highest value. More than here 16 is not divisible by 12. So next highest value is 24. 24 is not divisible by 16. Next highest value is 48. 48 divisible by 12 and 16. So option number D is the right answer. The smallest number which when divisible by 7 and diminished by 7 is divisible by 12, 16, 18, 21 and 28 is. So first find LCM 12, 16, 18, 21, 28. So now subtract 7, 0, 1. This one is not divisible by 16. Next here 1, 0, 0. Means 7 means subtract that one 8. So here 12, 8 is 96, carry 4, 48, 12, 4 ja, 16, 6 is 96, 16, 3 ja, 18, 5 is 90, 108, 18 is 6 ja, 21, 21, 4 ja, 84, 60, 168, 21, 8 ja, 28, 3 ja, 84, 168, 28, 28, 6 ja, 168. So it is divisible by all the numbers. So 1015 is the right answer. Two 52 can be expressed as a product of primes as 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 36 into 7, 7 6 is 42, 7 3 is 21 plus 4, 25, 252 we get in the first case. So option number A is the right answer. The greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meters, 3 meters, 85 centimeters, 12 meters, 95 centimeters is. So greatest possible length which can be used to measure exact the length. So 7 meters means 700. 3 meters means 3 meters 85 centimeters is 385. 12 meters 95 is 1295. To find LCM. 5 5 1 ja 2 0 20 5 4 ja 0. 5 6 ja 5 7 ja 35 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5 5 2 ja 10 2 9 29 5 5 ja 25 4 5 45 9 ja. Divide with 7. 7 2 ja 0. 73. 7 4 7 3 is 21. 7 7 is 49. Next. So it is not equal by anyone. So this is so in this way we get LCM. Here greatest number. Greatest number means it is not LCM. It is a HCF. 700, 385, 1295 HCF to find. Otherwise, another way is in these values, which one is the greatest value that is divides this one or not? 42 not divides this one. 35 divide this one. 35 1 ja, 35 1 ja, divide this one. 35 3 is 105. Carry 24 to 45. 35 to 45 means 7 ja. 7 5 is 35, 7 3 is 21, 245. So all these numbers divisible by 35. So 35 is the right answer. Three numbers which are co-primes to each other are such that the product of first two is 551 and that of last two is 1073. Here only three numbers is there, A, B, C. This product and this product is given. So middle number equal to mid number equal to LCM of HCF of these numbers. Mid number equal to HCF, highest value find. So HCF of this number is 551, 107. Now here you see, find HCF 551, 1073. 551 2 ja, 1 ja 2, 5 ja 10, 11. So 551 ja 2, 2, 5, 522 ja, 551, 522 1 ja, 522, 11 minus 2, 9, 4, 4 minus 2, 29, 29, 522, 1 ja, 29, yeah, 29, 29, 15 ja, 59 ja, 44, 59 ja, 135, 15 2 ja, 30, 43, 435. So 29, 17 ja, 79 ja, 153, 72 ja, 34, 49, 493. 12 minus 3, 9, here 2, 11, 11 minus 9, 2, 29. So this 29, 29 divides one time, remainder is 0. 29 is the HCF. So mid number equal to 29. So first two numbers means first number and second number we value this one. So we need first number. So first number equal to 29. 29 1 ja, 29 1 ja. Carry 26 261. So 551 divides with 29. 29 1 ja, 29 1 ja. 26 261. 29 9 ja, 261. So first number is 19. Last number 1073 by 29. 29 3 ja, 87. 203. 29 7 ja, 37. So here the sum of three numbers is 29 19 48. 48 55 30 85. Option number C is the right answer. Find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. So HCF value is lesser than least value. Least value equal to least value or lesser than least value. 36 is not divides 84. Next least value 18. 18 divides 36, but it is not divides 84. Next least value is 12. 12 divides 36 and 84. 12 3 is 12 7. Option number C is the right answer. Which of the following fraction is largest? Here 7 by 8, 13 by 16, 31 by 40, 63 by 80. So this is the answer. So 80 is the highest value, so we convert all these values. Multiply with 10. So 80, 70 by 80, multiply both. Here 13 5 is 65 by 80. We convert this one value is 80. 42 is 80, so 31 2 is 62 by 80. 63 by 80. So 80 is common. Now highest value is 70. 70 by 80, which is greater than 65 by 80, which is greater than 63 by 80, which is greater than 62 by 80. 70 by 80 belongs to 7 by 8. So option number A is the right answer. The least number which when divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 leaves in each case as remainder of 80 is now 12, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, and 2 24, 12 2 is 24. It won't give any remainder. Next 12, 12 4 is 48, 56. Next 12 4 is 48, remainder is 8. Next 15, 15 2 is 15 3 is 45, carry 9 96, 15 6 is 90, but remainder is 6 here. So this is also my right answer. Next 544, 12 4 is 48, carry 6 64. 12 5 is 60, remainder is 4. This is also not right answer. Here 12 4 is 48, carry 6 68, 12 5 is 60, remainder is 8. 15 3 is 45, remainder is 9 98. 15 6 is 90, remainder is 8. 22 is 40, carry 14, 148, 27 is 140, remainder is 8. 54 10 is 540, remainder is 8. So option number D is the right answer. So I think everyone understood all my shortcuts which are used to solve this LCM and HCF problems. Please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your nears and dears. Thanks to everyone.